2025 divided by 0. The result is undefined. Let me explain. Undefined. Look, 2025 divided by 0 equal to what? This is division statement. We need to find here quotient. For every division statement, we have related multiplication statement. This is dividend, this is divisor, and here we will find quotient. Divisor times quotient equal to dividend. This is the related multiplication statement for this division statement. Actually, we can express division in terms of multiplication like this. Now think, what times 0? What times 0 gives you 2025? Let's say what means 1. 1 times 0, you are getting 0. 0 is not 2025. Let's say what means 2. Also 2 times 0, 0. 0 is not 2025. That is, there is nothing that can give you that can multiply it by 0 give you this 2025. So we can say that there is no answer for this problem. No answer, undefined.